It all began innocently enough in 2008 when I spotted the teacher and exclaimed, "OMG, it's Luigi." It seemed that everyone agreed he bore a striking resemblance to the famous video game character. What started as a harmless prank soon escalated into disrespect, with students calling him Luigi in the middle of class or adorning the chalkboard with his name and even drawings depicting him as the beloved character. Needless to say, he was not amused. In fact, he was furious. 2 students from other grades faced suspension when caught addressing him as Luigi. The school administration took a firm stance, publicly denouncing the behavior and threatening suspension or expulsion for anyone involved. I was terrified when I saw the announcement, knowing they could easily trace it back to me through gossip among classmates. And indeed, my fears materialized when the investigation narrowed down to just 4 suspects, including myself and 3 friends, thanks to an anonymous tip from the daughter of another teacher. None of us admitted to the prank, standing united in silence. If accused, I plan to deflect blame by pointing out the drawings, placing doubt on our involvement. The school summoned our parents, and although I wanted my father's support, he declined, leaving my mom to accompany me. I assured her of my innocence, and she fiercely defended me during a heated confrontation with the principal, the teacher dubbed Luigi, and the assembled staff. My mom's impassioned defense silenced the other parents, and I felt immense relief as my friends remained tight-lipped. Following the incident, the nickname Luigi stuck, spreading beyond the school grounds. Passers-by would catch sight of his car and enthusiastically chant "Luigi, Luigi." 16 years later, the moniker endures, even among new students like my neighbor, who, upon starting middle school, promptly joined the chorus of Luigi chanters.